What's up, girl? Hi, guys. So it's my first video of 2020. I'm so excited. I was actually going to start off the year with a different video, but I thought, you know what? We are going to just go in with a hair video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the literal easiest way to do waves in your hair. It's less damage. You're not curling the entire hair. I love it. It's so easy. It's so simple. Got a new curling iron. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I got a T3 wand sent to me, and I'm not gonna lie, I've used one of their curling irons before and I didn't like it, but I got this in the mail recently. I've been playing with it and I really like it. So we're gonna be using this in today's video. This is like the triple wand or something, and I'm just using the largest wand that they have. If I remember, I will link this below for you so you can check it out. Again, it's not sponsored, but I know someone's gonna ask, and plus it's just pretty, you know? So, I mean, I would want to know. How is your year going so far, by the way? Are you having a good year? I don't know what's happening, and I'm not going to second guess it, but I have been feeling so good recently. All right, let's get into this. It's a pretty easy repeating pattern throughout the hair. You're just going to take a chunk of hair, about an inch or so, and we are only going to curl like the bottom area of the hair. And let me show you what I mean. Normally when I do waves, I'll start up here and wrap around the whole hair. I don't do that anymore, and it's life-changing. I feel like the look looks way more effortless and easy. So for especially the bottom piece, I'm really just kind of doing the ends here. Just like this. I wrap and I roll it. Okay, and now with this as well, I do it back and forth. So that one, I pulled it over. This one, I'm going to pull it underneath. I started doing my hair this way too, by the way, because I've been using less heat on my hair, and my natural hair around the front, I kind of get this little wave. So I was inspired by my own natural hair to learn how to kind of wave with the natural wave of my hair, if that makes sense. So I started doing this, and I love it so much more now because it just looks more effortless than before. Curling wand, I'm noticing, heats up way hotter than my other one, I feel like. See how perfect that wave is? That's like perfect wave right there. But how are you guys doing? What are your New Year's goals? Like, what are you wanting to work on this year? I am so big on making goals for the New Year's. I never call them resolutions because I feel like when I put the word goal next to it, I'm more likely to achieve it because it's my goal, you know? Something that I did that you guys might want to try out, it's helped me just keep my mood up and feeling really good, is I have positive affirmations around my house, but I have some sitting up on this mirror in front of me. And then I added a few more to the mirror in my bathroom, and whenever I see them, I say them out loud, and it just feels really good. It's a little simple way to keep the positive energy flowing, and I love that you can really create them to what you feel like you need affirmation on or whatever. Some of the ones that I have in here say I'm whole, I'm infinite, I'm radiant. The love I give and receive is healthy. I use my words for power and for good. I am free, abundant, and successful. I manifest my desires easily, like things like that. And the way that you speak is really important. That's something I've also been really practicing this year. I know it's only been 3 days, but if I have felt like something was annoying me or whatever, I just won't complain about it. I'm like, does this really affect my day? No? Okay. Doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm just feeling so good. I wrote down all my goals for the year in my planner. So now as we go up higher, we're gonna wrap it around. I think I did 2 on the bottom, 3 on the last one, and we can do 3 or 4 on this one. But as I go up, I kind of do less curling on the ends, so that way I have like a good mix of texture throughout my bottom waves and these top ones. Woo! You guys, my hair is looking so blonde, and I literally have no idea why. I've done nothing to it, but I'm ready to match this root so badly. And then I just don't want to dye my hair for the rest of the year. Well, unless I need to like get a touch up if it fades, but just like no more bleaching, just sticking to a healthy color. I read a tweet last night, I believe, that said 2020 is the year of health, healthy mindset, healthy mindset, healthy abundance, healthy bank account, healthy relationships, things like that. And I just love that idea. So since then, I've just kind of been thinking about that, and I noticed that all my goals were based on just like really positive things. So I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. So I wrote in my planner, year of health, because I think that's awesome. You literally wrap and roll. Wrap and roll. Why does that sound like a sushi roll? Okay, the wrap and roll. See the waves in this? It's just so effortless and easy looking. I feel like over the years, my waves have always looked a little curly, and these look more actual wavy. Does that make sense? But you guys, let me know in the comments below, what are your, okay, this is way, when you have a piece that ends up being curlier than what you want, I'll grab the end and I'll just kind of do this. At the front right here, where I just have these small amount of pieces left, they're different lengths, so I'm just gonna kind of, feel like this depends on your face shape. Just do whatever makes you feel best. But what are your guys' plans for this year? What are your goals? Did you make any new goals? What were the goals that you accomplished last year that you're very, very proud of? Mine was finally taking care of myself, mentally and emotionally. I didn't know I needed as much work on myself that I did. But I'm glad I did that. Okay, see? Here we go. Gorge, hi Gorge. Also, you guys, let me know what other videos you want to see from me this year. I know you're gonna say like hair videos and things like that, but I want to start doing a few different series on my channel. I want to bring back my dressing the way a song makes me feel, but I have a different title for it now. I'm not gonna announce it yet until I actually film one of those videos, but I was brainstorming and planning that out this morning, so I'm very excited for that. But if there's anything else that you would like to see from me, or you're like, hey, these are the kind of videos that I'm into right now, even if it's not something you specifically want to see from me, like what are your favorite kinds of videos that you're watching right now? I'm really curious because I make different videos than what I actually watch on YouTube. So I'm curious to see what you guys watch as well. This would be so much quicker if I wasn't talking, but I feel like I keep stopping to be and having to move my mirror to avoid the sun. Although you know I don't want to, I'm golden hour girl. Now I have these waves. Do you see what I mean? They're more effortless, where before my waves were more curly up here. I don't know, they're different and I love them for that. So I'm gonna take a drink of my coffee. We're going to spray a little whey texture spray. Is this what I grabbed? Yep. I'm just gonna. That sounded like a beat. I love these waves. Even look at the difference with just the spray. Come on, whey. Woo! I love this. Looking good. I love this style of wave. I feel like it's the perfect effortless, cool girl wave. Oh my gosh, the spray is really just taking over in here. Woo! There you go. These are my final waves, my final look. I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I am so excited for this year. If there's anything specific that you would like to see from me, please let me know. I'm always open to your feedback. And yeah, I love you. 2020 is gonna be such a good year. I have such a good feeling. So yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye guys.